Hey everyone. Today I want to talk you through one of the most exciting topics out there, how to make F***ku money with coding. Now, coding is a great way to get ahead in today's digital world. It doesn't matter if you're just starting out or already are a master in the coding world, with the right dedication and skill, you can make a great income in coding. I'll be walking you through the exact steps that I took to get where I am now. First, it's important to brush up on your coding skills if you're just starting out. Find some coding boot camps or online workshops and get the basics down. Once you have the basics down, it's time to start looking into the options that are out there. There are job boards, freelance sites, and even coding contests that can get you well paid for your skills. Next, I'll show you how to make passive income with coding. From creating apps to developing online courses, there are tons of ways to make money on the side with coding. With the right strategy, you can make a consistent passive income from coding. We'll also go over strategies for marketing and monetizing your coding skills. Finally, I'll share some success tips with you on how to make F***ku money with coding. These tips will help you stay on top of your business, build relationships in the industry, and help you reach your coding goals faster. So, if you want to learn how to make F***ku money with coding, join me in this video. I'm sure that after you've seen the strategies, tips and tricks that I'll be showing you, you'll be able to make some serious cash with coding. So join me in this journey and let's get coding.